I am small, but I'm a warrior.
We've got one planet and that we need to look after it.
Nós nos sentimos parte da Terra, parte das árvores. Se morrer, morre junto.
It's very easy to never start something in this world, but I said, no one is taking care of this, I'm going to.
바다를 촬영해 사람들과 바다가 공존할 수 있다는 걸 보여주고 싶습니다.
We found ways to help the environment too, such as using more sustainable fabrics and upcycling textiles.
I finally had a breakthrough. I made a plant pot from 100% waste plastic.
We challenged ourselves to transform discarded fishing nets into a high-performance material for our Samsung Galaxy devices.
We're all responsible for preserving the environment for generations to come.
This belief inspires us to make Galaxy innovations that do more for people and the planet.
I believe we cannot save the planet alone.
We don't have to do things perfectly. Small things will have a big impact.